Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is all about how to smell good all day, and let's make it a vanilla shower edition. I became a vanilla girly this year, and I've added a couple new products to the lineup, like this Tree Hut Vanilla Body Scrub, Fenty's Butter Drop, and the famous Cocoa Must from Amazon.
I'm really trying to get to know you better, girl. You ain't gotta act like you're shy. We gon' do something is gon' get done, and we gon' get crunk and have a lot of fun. And I say, shawty, she wearing her hair, she working she talking that talk just like it.
Since I started dry brushing 2 to 3 times a week, I noticed I no longer get those dry, flaky patches, and that my skin honestly been glowing. It definitely opens up my pores, and I guess the products are able to seep in quicker, and it doesn't take me that long to exfoliate during the shower. And my moisturizer literally seeps into my skin. And I do believe it's a result of the dry brushing, because I went from doing it probably twice a month to now I'm doing it 2 to 3 times a week. When I tell y'all my shower is my escape, I'm not exaggerating. I can feel the tension, the stress, the anxiety and pressure and worry, all of that it just leaves my mind and my body. I like to cleanse my face first before I start applying different products to my hands and body and then go ahead and touch my face. No, so let's wash our face first, and I use the CeraVe Silica Acid Wash. That is my go-to. Don't forget to wash behind your ears, your neck, behind your neck in order for you to start smelling good. Start from the top and go down to the bottom. My second form of exfoliating to give you that soft, glowy skin, and your first layer of fragrance, is a body scrub, and I'm using this Tree Hut Vanilla Body Scrub. To smell good all day and have longevity of your fragrances, I start off by layering, and I start off in the shower. So this is a warm vanilla, coconut, cedar wood, and shea butter mix. A very warm fall scent. Exfoliating helps to remove dead skin cells and whatever buildup of products that you had on your body. This particular one helps restore your skin and leaves a glowing finish, which I would say that does happen, because at the end my skin was very much glowing. Don't forget to exfoliate the tight crevices on your body, including behind your knees and your toes. Rinse everything off, first layer completed.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings.
The next phase is to bring back moisture to your skin, and of course we're going to use a very scented moisturizer. Again, we're layering our fragrances, but if you're mixing fragrances, make sure that they're in the same family or that they go together. So like rosy, fruity, vanilla, nutty scents. To make things simple, I normally match my moisturizer with my exfoliator. So if I'm using a vanilla exfoliator, then most likely I'm using a vanilla moisturizer. But if I want to switch it up and be a little razzle-dazzle, I will mix the vanilla exfoliator with, say, a moisturizing cherry body wash. That way the two are able to blend together and they pair well, and I'm not smelling like a laboratory of concoction. This is a restorative moisturizer that's supposed to restore your skin barrier. You do get a beautiful glow at the end, and it does smell really good in the shower. When it comes to exfoliators and body moisturizer, the fragrance longevity isn't there. That's why you're supposed to stack your fragrances or layer your fragrances as you go throughout the shower process in order for the longevity to build up. That's how I think about it in my head. Now that the first steps of layering your fragrance is out the way, you should be smelling like a vanilla sensation. Let's go in with a long-lasting deodorant. I like to use Secret. Same as with the shower, before I start applying products filled with fragrance and glitter and everything else, I like to get my skincare out the way. So pretty much get my face out of the way, then I move down to my body. So this is my typical skincare routine. The products I'm using will be listed below, and they're from Clara's, New York. If you guys haven't started, I highly recommend using a gua sha when it comes to lymphatic draining, especially with your face. Some of the benefits includes blood flow and circulation, decreased puffiness, and it's also a face massager. So I like to do this before I apply my last step, which is my moisturizing cream. One thing I've learned over the years, especially when it comes to smelling good all day, is that you need to be highly moisturized. Your fragrances will need to be able to stick to something. It cannot just stick to your dry skin because it's just going to evaporate or not last long. This Fenty Butter Drop Whip Body Cream is so moisturizing and it smells so good. And honestly, the moisturization lasts a very long time. Just like how we double cleanse our face, I like to double moisturize, and I use two different forms of moisturizer. I use a thick moisturizing cream, and then I also seal everything in with this Vaseline oil. But any thick, deep, rich moisturizer and any body oil will do the trick. I love the Vaseline because of its consistency. It's very thick, non-greasy, and it doesn't transfer, and it stays on my skin. Because the body oil is fragrance free, it's sealing all that moisture and fragrance from your body wash and your body butter. And then I also like to apply my body spray on top of the Vaseline. That right there is the final step. My body spray is Viva Vanilla from Bath and Body Works, and it is their fragrant dupe to Billie Eilish perfume. However, the longevity of this isn't there, so applying that on top of the body oil keeps it all day. Once I am dressed, I then apply my favorite perfume. Today we are using Ambery Vanilla from Dossier, or a more affordable brand, which is Cocoa Musk from Amazon. Everybody rave about this. Honestly, it's not one of my favorite, but also remember to apply your perfumes to your pressure points, behind your ears, your elbow crease, your wrist, behind your knees, behind your ankles. But that's it. The trick to smelling good all day is to layer your fragrance. Start with your body scrub, your body wash, your body butters, your body mist, and then add your perfumes or whatever fragrance you want afterwards. And I promise you, you will smell good all day and receive compliments from morning to night. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Vanessa. I put out videos once a week related to all things fashion, lifestyle, and self-care. See you next time.